I have succeeded in getting the contact of the Vice President's daughter. She's not in the country.
But our personal assistant told me I should be back at the month end.
Oh, Joe. I already have a contact. I appreciate your effort. Thank you so much. But, hold on a sec. Did you just say she's out of the country at the moment?
Yes, that's what our personal assistant told me.
It's fine.
So, should I?
No. I already have a contact, so I'm good to go.
Alright, ladies. I think I have to take my leave now.
Okay. See you later.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
I think this guy is trying to play a fast one on us.
Exactly. But there's something I don't even understand. He said she is out of the country. But as I speak with you right now, I'm chatting with Deborah. I think this Jude is just trying to get something from me.
No doubt. You were right.
Girls, so like I was saying, Deborah has promised to visit the angels. Girls, I'm so serious. Girls, we need to treat her like a queen. Like, we need to treat her like a goddess. Oh, yes, we need to make her feel special.
At least the English should just touch her small, but not before me. No.
Wow.
You still be V? V carpet dey bounce like that. No, answer me. You be V, your carpet dey bounce. Abi no be this?
Madam, I don't know the issue where you get with my breast too. Every time you dey get issue with my breast. The other day you press am for backyard.
Don't keep quiet.
Inside room you don dey press the breast again. Tell me that thing wey dey your mind. Make both of us understand each other. No dey press my breast like that. I don't
Me and
do
you?
anything.
You? As in you?
I don't know why, madam.
Ini!
Ma.
Ini!
Ma.
Ini!
Ma.
Are you feeling the vibe? Ini!
Ma.
How many times did I call you?
I don't know, but we two dey fall out. Madam, no dey do this thing.
Keep quiet! I warned you. Didn't I? I warned you! But you choose to tell me. Today I will deal with you. Lie down.
Huh. Madam, make I lie down inside room again.
Come on, lie down!
What do you want do me if I lie down?
Ini, no make me tear you. Lie down!
Na the same thing we dey talk, make you no tear me. Why you want make I lie down?
Come on, lie down!
Lie down for wetin na?
1. If I count to 2 and you are still here, I will share that thing.
Madam, na
lie down!
You go talk that thing wey dey your mind.
Lie down!
I don't know why you dey always tell me.
You be everywhere thick.
Flora, you are insulting me. You are insulting me, you are belittling me, and I don't take exception to that. Please don't do it.
Really? You cannot be having me and still have that nobody. A maid, Ray. Maid.
Excuse you. Ini, come on. I don't have anything to do with Ini. What are you talking about?
And you still have nothing to do with my friends. Ray, swear to that. Swear to that you have nothing to do with my friends.
Okay, fine. Look, your friends want me. They approach me all the time, telling me nice things, giving me gifts. But I am the one who is just holding myself. It's because I want to be with you. I mean, that's a simple truth. You need to trust me, okay? What good is our relationship when there is no trust?
Ray, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I trust you now. Just that I'm jealous. I'm sorry.
Well, you have to trust me. You take my word. If I tell you something, you take my word.
I'll try.
Don't try. Just trust me on this, okay? And everything will be smooth.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Well, you need to start going before the other girls get here. You know when Angela sees us here, she's not going to like it.
Can I have a hug? No?
Okay. Take care. Hurry up before they come.
See you soon.
Yeah, go. What's wrong with these girls? Oh, these girls. They think they've got me, right? Okay. It's the other way around. I am gonna play them.
And just for life. Oh, and just for life. Oh, and just for life. Oh, and just for life. They are angels, baby, oh. They get a connection, oh. Angels for life, for life. Angels.
This is good.
Thank you.
Your chef is great. What's your name?
Chef Ray. Raymond Obasi.
I enjoyed your meal.
I am honored.
That will be all.
Thank you.
I must say I enjoy your hospitality. I am really impressed.
Really? Oh, I'm glad you did.
I can't believe the vice president's daughter is in our house. We should make some noise.
Whoa!
I'm sorry, please, ladies. Let's stick to principles. No taking of pictures and no making of videos. Thank you.
Pictures? Me? No, of course not. Yes, girls, I would really want to take it on a low profile with you girls. I wouldn't want my dad to know I'm out of Abuja. And I wouldn't want the press to let it out that I was here. I hope you understand.
We do.
We're already friends, girls.
Okay. It's fine. We understand perfectly.
Yeah.
We will adhere to that.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
We were so excited you kept to your promise. I always keep to my word. Can I ask you a fine favor?
Favor?
Yes. What is it? Just mention it. Can I have your chef for one night? I mean, this girls thing, you know? My chef?
Yes. Sure, it's not a problem at all. He's my chef.
Good. I would ask my security to come pick him up. I'll be waiting at my lodge.
Alright. That would be perfect.
Good night.
Good night.
Take care of yourself. Good night.
Thanks for your time.
Can you repeat what you just said?
I said I cannot, I can't.
How dare you! How dare you! The vice president's daughter of this country wants to have a nice time with you. You dummy! You fool!
Angela, calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
I'm in love with someone else.
Angels for life, oh angels for life, oh angels for life, angels for life. They are angels, baby, oh.
I have feelings for somebody else, and I'm not willing to sacrifice how I feel and my love for that person, even though he's the vice president's daughter. I just cannot do it. It doesn't work for me.
Really? What impetus?
Angels, let us try to
What?
Tell me. If you don't have anything to say, why not just shut that hole on your face? Shut it.
Gosh. Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life.
Come on, girls. You people are not saying anything. Listen, Raymond, or whatever you call yourself, you must sleep with the vice president's daughter tonight. If you do otherwise, I will make your life so miserable. Come on, get off my face! Come on! Nonsense.
Hey, come back here, where are you going to? Come back here. Nicole, let him be.
No, please shut up your mouth. Come back!
Give us the contract.
Small message where they send you. The open eye. Say I be Abino.
Come on, shift.
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life.
I just don't understand what's going on here. I don't get it. In fact, whatever!
Fine chef who enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether I love or lost. Amalicha wake. Abagofanya. Amalicha wake, yo. They are confused. They are carried away. Whether I love or lost. Their wing is leaking. They are carried away because of fine boy child. But if you could follow, guy man must chop. We know they look for format to press the work.
What?
Because
what is what? What is what?
Why are you staring at me like that?
You fool! Idiot! Idiot! Nonsense!
Why does she want to have a one-night stand with my man. Why? Like get big eyes. She get big eyes. Oh my man. Oh my man.
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life. They are angels, baby, baby, oh. They get a connection. Oh, angels for life, angels. Guess I asked for hustling. You're looking for contract. Yeah, contract. If business no finish, you no go rest at all.
Girls! Can't you see how tired he looks? I mean, she had my chef all night.
I can see.
Angels for life. Oh, angels for life. Oh, angels for life.
My own is that I want to use him to get closer to her, you know, and closer, and closer, and closer.
And the more closer we get, the more richer we become.
Exactly.
Yes, you are there. You are right there.
Sorry guys, I think I need to use the restroom. I'll be with you shortly.
Girls, she's not happy.
And who cares? Please, the most important thing is the more closer we get, the more closer we become richer. Oh, mommy, I'm happy now because the vice president's daughter is our friend. And that is the most important thing. I don't care about anybody's feeling.
More money! More money!
More money.
Barbara, I know you like light-skinned guys. But girl, what's up? You don't have to display that with the chef.
I thought as much.
What's with all this pretense? We all like him, so stop pretending. Pretenders.
Not all of us, my darling. Not all of us.
Exactly. Please, we should not belittle ourselves. Yes, please, I don't want anyone that will belittle our class or admiring the chef. Gosh, I will not withstand it.
What's exactly wrong with you girls? What is wrong with you? You all know I have a boyfriend, a white guy who deals in oil and estate business. So why would I be liking an ordinary chef? Why?
Barbara, time will tell. Wash your words. Wash it.
You guys stop laughing. fit drink water.
Well, you better come back. The food is finished, though.
What did she even call it? Estate and what?
I don't know.
You're the one I am calling. I'm calling, baby. I'm falling. I'm falling. You're my baby. Oh, baby, you're the one.
Where?
You're the one.
Where, baby?
I'm calling, baby.
Where, Alpha? But they talk to you now, Alpha.
Barnabas, I go slap you. Barnabas, I go slap you. No, they touch me. I don't tell you, no, they touch me. No, they touch me. Like you know, even be say you they carry my name, they work out for this compound. I keep quiet for you. No, they touch me. Leave me, oh, leave me. Make a day my day now. Leave me, make a day my day. Waiting.
I'm not carrying your name. Go anywhere past this compound. I swear. Now for live, I don't carry and go. I'll never even hear anything. You know, say Madam Simo, they really like families. Now you make a conde. I cannot carry your name past anywhere. Now don't this compound.
Barnabas, now wait till you want. Wait till you want. Wait till be that.
Calm down. You too vexed. Every time your voice go dey loud. Fine girl, you go dey get hot temper. You know say you go ugly, you go come old. I beg no vex. Now one question where I want to ask you. Now just one question.
Waiting be that.
I beg where they carry our yellow pawpaw chef. Yesterday, then dress am, package am well. Carry am come on last night, bring am this morning. And the thing I say, I can't ask you.
Barnabas.
Barnabas, Ibeu. How to say?
You a goat.
How to say?
A very big one at that.
I know.
See, Barnabas. Anywhere may they like, may they carry chef go. It no be my business. It no affect my job. And it no suppose affect your job. Hey, chef fine, at least. If I were. And waiting may they no carry you because say you get plenty gap for your teeth. And before you know, you go carry spit, finish the person for body. Now may they no carry you. I just advise you, make you day your day for gate. And always leave me, make I day my day for this place. I beg. No, they bring this kind of matter come my table again. No, they even try am. No, they gossip like woman and no be gossip like you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Betty, I'm not the calm down. And the one more they relate, you know they like her. The thing they vex me. They vex me.
Who want relate with you?
Wait. You no shock you. Come, you be like say our chef. They don't use and they do hook up. Men don't they do hook up.
I beg get out, get out, get out. I no one hear what you want talk. Get out. She didn't get man, shabapo. Get out. Respect yourself, oh. I say get out. Go your post.
No, allow me change that for you. Not because I don't leave you, don't they open my. I go. If I lift you up, if I lift you for ground, you don't finish.
No, they try. You even lift me up. Where you want start?
See, I know one verse. No, allow me break my fast. If I break my fast, you don't go like her.
Come on here. Person we no get sense, and they talk to you. Idiot, I no blame. Na chef Ray I blame. He dey give you food. I no blame you. I follow you. They talk all the time. Na because I dey give you food. Very soon, I go put you for zoo. He dey give you food. He dey behave like idiot.
He dey give you two food. It is another.
I go slap you, idiot. See as you be. Come on here.
Give me this one.
Idiot.
You too, idiot. Nonsense.
Let me follow you. They talk. I blame you. Hi. See human being. See human being.
All of them are your name.
Hi. Be like say one day I go just close eye, give this boy purge medicine. If I give him purge medicine, you go dey that gate, dey for toilet, you know free stand up. Now wetin I go do? I will go buy purge medicine, give you. Ewu. This boy This boy is becoming a problem to me in this house.
Sorry, what did you say my chef said to you?
I did nothing with him. He said he's in love with someone. He is scared to air it to that person to avoid unnecessary dissing and physical assault.
Who the hell is he? He's a nobody to refuse you.
No, he didn't. I quitted. It's nothing. Angela.
Yes.
Your chef is silently in love with you.
With me? No, that's not possible. That's not possible, not me. Gosh.
Why? Because he's your chef? Come on, do not look down on people. Don't. Did I look down on you?
Not exactly, but I want to understand something. Did he actually say that to you?
It's written all over his face.
This is unbelievable. Gosh! No! Hell no! Can't fall in love with that thing. God forbid.
So because he is your chef, he can't fall in love with you? Well, that aside, you said something about the project I'm handling for my father, the vice president.
Exactly. So, did you tell Deborah, the vice president's daughter, that you're secretly in love with me? Speak.
Yes, I did.
Damn it!
There is no way I could lay with her when my heart beats for you.
Will you shut up your filthy mouth? How dare you? How dare you open your gut mouth to say such stupid words to me? Are you sick in the brain? Look at this. Look at this stupid chef. Huh? Hold on. Did I employ you to my house to come fall in love with your boss? Who is talking about your stupid love? How dare you?
Look, I don't know what you want from her. That's none of my business. But I think you need to start respecting people for who they are and stop being overwhelmed with all that you have, okay? You need to respect somebody, okay? Respect people.
Oh my gosh. Damn it. This stupid idiot. Did he just talk to me? Oh! Oh! This is so irritating! Oh.
Are you for real? Our chef. Wait, are you serious?
I feel like firing him right now.
No. That means he did not sleep with the vice president's daughter. Yes, and she believed his story. That means she respects you. Firing him will not be good. She might even get upset with you.
What I don't understand is, why is that idiot loving me? Why? And all he wants is my money. Yes! I hate such people around me. I mean, how can I be in love with that stupid, low-budget chef? It can never happen. Gosh!
Calm down. Listen, calm down. I have a plan. Yes. You are going to pretend to be in love with him. You are going to reciprocate it. That love, you go show him love. I want to see what the vice president's daughter will say about it when she finds out. Okay? This might be a blessing in disguise. Use your upper. Gosh. Chief, why are you not picking my calls?
Hey.
Huh? Chief, hey, what is going on?
Why are you here? Look at this evil wizard. So you have the effort to step your feet into my office.
Chief, what is going on? Why are you doing this? Is this the tactics to change the reason why I'm here? Chief, stop this thing now. It's your angel, your angel.
May that routine brought down by fire. Now listen to me. That your charm, that your juju has leaked.
Chief, I'm not using juju. It's natural love I have for you. Chief, now. Chief.
Now, listen to me. I say it has leaked. You can't get me anymore. Now, leave my office. Will you get out?
Please, Chief. Chief, calm down.
What's the security?
Chief.
Don't touch me.
Chief, hey. Chief, don't call security. Hey, Chief. Okay, Chief, I'm going.
Security.
When you calm down, call me. I'm going. Okay, I'm going.
What's the security? Silence!
I'm going.
Please, call him a post. You won't get it easy this time. Nonsense! Imagine this nonsense. I bought a car for you. You even threatened to collect my mansion from me. My hard-earned mansion that I built my money. You can't get it cheap this time.
I'm sorry for letting out my heart. I only told her the truth because I just wanted to know if she really values your friendship.
Just go. I didn't send for you.
She can grant you your wish, you know, if you can just play along as if you're in love with me.
What did you say?
I said, Madam, I overheard you talking about the contract the other day. And I'm thinking maybe she can give you the contract.
So?
So I can actually help her give you the contract. I have a really good relationship with her, if you know what I mean.
Hold on. You mean you can actually talk to her regards the contract?
Yes. Actually, I can. Yeah. Yes.
On our behalf?
Yes, I can. I can do that for you if you want.
My baby is next week.
this straight. You want me to bring the contract to your desk while you give it to someone, or?
Yes. I have competent hands for it.
Why do I have this notion you want to be fine with your chef because of this contract? That's, by the way, I don't want to meddle, especially if you guys are in love.
Yes, we are in love. Right, baby?
Yes, yes, I mean, yes. we are in love. We had a little issue, but it's been sorted out, and we are madly in love.
Exactly. You know, like you made me to understand that we are all equal.
This is good.
Yes.
I must say this is my first time of seeing a handsome man confess his love to a woman right in my presence. All men, I mean all men in the world would want me because of my father and his personality. But he has proved me wrong. I like him. And he loves you. So because of that, I'm going to tell my father to lift the contract from the speaker and then we'll handle it.
Wow! Really? Thank you so much! This is good news.
Thank you, we're grateful.
Yes.
Fine chef who enter their eye. If you go follow Yakata, we go chop a more.
You like big things, don't you?
Excuse me.
My angels.
What is it?
Madam, I beg, I say make I come beg you. My mama, I don't tell where she dey sick and she don't call me tire. It can't be like say she no get anybody. I beg, make I go see her for village. Make I know how she dey do. I beg.
So who's going to do your job? I mean, who is going to take care of the house?
Madam, for that one, I no go take for village. No need 2 days. Now you dey ask me, una give me just 2 days. I go come back.
My friend, shut up your mouth. See, let me just tell you. If you leave this house for any unnecessary leave, just know that your salary will slash it into 2.
I make me dey beg you, make you no reduct am. I need this money. Now make me come do house help work. I beg, no reduce am. Biko. I beg, I mean am. Madam, you know say I no feel like that kind thing. I know say only you dey believe me.
Shut up.
Ubechi, right? Yes. It's fine. You can go.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just like that.
Hey girl, come on. Let her go.
God bless you.
Yes. Let her go.
If she likes, you can stay months. You see this your frog guy. You see this your big guy. You see this your frog guy. You think I don't know? I don't trust you. If everybody trusts me, you know I don't trust you. I know you have a skeleton in your cupboard. They will tell you open.
Madam, I don't know why you always get issues with me.
If you call my name again, idiot.
Now because say I find pass you.
Shut up. Okay, you know. I go give you uppercut now. They thought you go open your third eye. I know you're sleeping with the chef. Yes. The chef? Please, I don't know. I'm just saying.
The chef?
The chef! I don't know. I'm just saying.
I know they for that one. I know they sleep with chef at all. I know they sleep with them.
Better.
Madam, I know do.
It's fine. You can go.
Hey, madam, thank you. You asked me to go because I know say your mama still die alive. Thank you. In fact, five angels of the Lord. God will continue to punish. I mean, bless you now very, very well.
I hope you're not referring to me.
It's okay, you can leave.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Idiot. They will tell you kind frog I open down the same madam. I don't just like. So how did it go?
She wants to go speak with her father. I think she likes me having something to do with that chef. Well, once I'm done using him, I will trash him where he belongs.
Wait. Our chef? I mean...
I beg you, shut up, P. Ah, if you just say our chef, now so all your antenna go rise. What's happened?
Who shall come be? Our chef? You dey pet the name. That give yourself brain.
Girls, I was meant to understand that she has a soft spot for the chef. And in turn, he expressed his stupid, irritating love to her over me.
He did?
Well, everyone knows that we are just using him. And very soon, we will dump him.
Yes.
Yes.
So does it mean that stupid Deborah of a girl agreed to talk to her father because of Raymond? She agreed to talk to her father because of our chef. Because of our chef. Because of our chef.
Plus you won't hold you.
And now they follow me see her eyes. The lash is not the umbrella.
They scratch body like a person who got one virus. Did they worry you?
Wow. Real wow.
She thought we were dating.
Fine chef enter their eyes, yo. Fine boy, they are confused. Fine baba, whether I love or lost. I'm a little okay.
Yeah. Hey.
How dare you? How dare you, Ray? How dare you play me? You are saying Angela? I swear you will regret it. You will, I swear.
Can I say something?
Say what? Eh? Say what? God. I didn't know you were this cheap. You're nothing but a public bed. You are so cheap.
You will regret every word you just said. You know why? Because you're not giving me the chance to explain something to you.
Explain what?
You should have just calmed down. Are you calm? Can I talk? Yes? Look, everything that is happening right now between Angela and I is a game.
What? What?
We're playing a game.
But Angela is mad. I'm being too serious.
But that's the idea. Just to get the VP's daughter on Angela's side. I don't have any connection with Angela. I've never slept with her. I've not even seen anything beyond the clothes she wears. We have no relationship whatsoever. Again, it is just to get the VP's daughter on track with her. That's the idea and that's the plan. You know she prefers Angela to be with me, right? Now, think about it. Can you imagine if I told her that I love you, I want to be with you, and I want to marry you? What will she think? I'm just being smart. I'm using my head. Come on, be with me on this. Try to understand. Okay? Yes. Hold on, come here. Hey.
Raymond!
Yes, Raymond. Yes.
I demand to know what is going on in this house. What is going on? You're asking me. You're asking. What?
Are you throwing some kind of party here? Because I don't understand what my eyes are seeing. I'm seeing someone who claims to detest light-skinned guys in here. And I wonder what she is doing here.
Raymond.
Yes.
Get dressed and prepare fresh croaker fish pepper soup for me. make sure you add enough pepper.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Maggie, salt, croaker fish pepper soup indeed.
yes.
I'm bringing it, ma'am.
What kind of question is that? What sort of question is that, Raymond? Tell me. What game are you playing?
What game am I playing? I don't owe you any explanation, okay? Just leave.
You're in love with Angela. Huh?
I'm not in love with Angela. I'm not in love with anyone. I know who I'm in love with, so just leave me alone.
Who is that person?
I'm not telling you
I demand
anything.
to know who you are in love with.
I will not tell you.
Who are you in love with, Raymond?
I won't tell you anything. Just get out.
Raymond, tell me who you are in love with. Oh, you don't want to talk. It's alright. I want you to know that whatever it is you are doing, I am watching you 24/7.
What? What you gonna do? Keep watching. Till your eyes bleed out. Keep watching. Until your eyes bleed out. Because they will definitely get red. Now get out before I call Angela. I thought so.
Rubbish. Nonsense.
Fine chef enter their eyes, yo. Abagofanya. Fine boy, Abagofanya. They are confused. Fine baba. Whether I love her or
Oh man, these girls. Is it by force to love you ladies? I don't love any of you. Just leave me alone, okay? Get out.
Really?
Oh. It must have been hot in there, right? I'm so sorry, I forgot. You were in there. You okay?
Take your hands off me. What was that all about?
What?
You're not in love with everybody, me, including me?
Oh, baby. I was just using English terms, pluralization and singular. When I said you, plural, them. I didn't say I don't love any of you, singular. I meant you, them. They're girls, not you, singular. So I'm not in love with you, but I'm in love with you. You get what I mean? I'm in love with you. It's just you that I love. You and I will be together forever and ever. Together.
You're so sweet. I love you very much.
I love you too. Listen, don't get too comfortable. Angela might just show up, you know.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
They are confused. Fine baba, whether I love her or lost.
It's crazy. It's just me. What is all this? And the number one. I don't even know what to do.
Mr. Conditioner, you must award the contract.
Mr. Speaker is not a soft nut. He refused to let go of the contract despite all I told him.
Madam, isn't there anything we can do? You know, like
This is a 6.8 billion naira contract. We can only buy it off from him. How much? If you can raise 1.2 billion naira, I will take it to him and he will hands off. You know, I'm doing this without the knowledge of the minister, my father and the president. Because a third party has stepped in and he's going to frown at it if he finds out. Oh my word. Where will I get such an amount from? Just try. Just try. I'm going to try from my own end.
Hi.
Oh, my favorite chef. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm perfect.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I just wanted to touch me. Okay?